This is Donald Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making upside down pecan bundt cake. You're going to need a half a cup of vegetable oil, a half a cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of corn syrup, 3 eggs, a half a cup of butter, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of chopped pecans, 1 vanilla cake mix, and a cup of water. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to start with our topping. We're going to take a half a cup of melted butter, mix in a quarter cup corn syrup, a quarter teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of brown sugar, and a cup of chopped nuts. We're going to whisk these ingredients together until the brown sugar is completely melted. Should look like this. Now we're going to spray our bundt cake with non-stick cooking spray. Now we're going to pour our topping into it. And spread the topping evenly across the bottom of the pan. Now it's time for our cake. We're going to mix our wet ingredients together first. So we're going to take a half a cup of vegetable oil, a cup of water, our 3 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. We're going to mix our wet ingredients together. Now we're going to pour our cake mix. We're going to mix on medium for about a minute. Now we're going to take our cake mix and we're going to put it on top of our topping. Just smooth it out across the pan, making sure that it's as even as possible. We're going to bake this at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. Cool your cake for 10 minutes. Now we're going to take a butter knife and we're going to run it around the edges of our cake. I'm going to take my plate and place it over it, and take a bowl and turn them upside down. Oh my, that is beautiful. But I do have some topping stuck in my pan. So I'm just going to scoop that out and manually stick it on my cake. Our cake looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.